It's working, guys. It's doing its thing.
Makerbot Replicator Plus. Just finished calibration, and now we are feeding in the PLA filament. I'm waiting for it to come up to temperature.
This is the filament tube. So what's going to happen is you open this to load it. So in here, you take your filament tube, you put it in there, and you feed it up through this. It comes up around, out of this tube, and through here. So you've done that, and now it's heating itself. It's at 203 degrees Celsius. It's going up fast. We need to get to 215, and then we're going to start feeding the extrusion material into the nozzle.
It's going. It should be squirting out here pretty soon.
Here we go! Alright, filament is extruding. Okay, we're gonna print this train thing for the test, okay? Just gonna click print. Alright, here goes, guys.
We are on our first test print of
Replicator Plus.
very first test print. We are printing the chain that comes built into the machine. It is heating up and going to start extruding. It lifts its flexible plate up like this.
You can take the plate out, and then the arm just moves back and forth, left and right. Woo, it's fast.
Please clear your build plate now.
Alright guys, first 3D print. Here we go.
It's amazing how this Replicator Plus is able to print these links already connected. And that is the setup and test print of the Replicator Plus.